How to install and create Sankey Diagram by VisioChart in Microsoft PowerPoint. Click on PowerPoint's Presentation button. Click on Add-ins button. Click on More Add-ins button. Click on the search bar and search Sankey Diagram. Click on Add button to add Sankey Diagram in PowerPoint. Click on Continue button. VisioChart Sankey Diagram visual added successfully. There are two methods to create Sankey Diagram by VisioChart in PowerPoint. Method 1. Create the chart by manually entering data into cells. Click on Table icon. Paste your data into cells. The chart has been created using the data you provided. Method 2. Create the chart by importing data directly from Microsoft OneDrive. Click on Table icon. Click on Get Data. Click on your workbook. Select the data sheet on which you want to create Sankey Diagram. The chart has been created using the data sheet. Click on Download icon and download chart to PDF.